Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rochelle if you're new, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I decorated this beautiful wreath for Christmas. Guys, I absolutely love how it turned out, and if you would like to see how I achieved this, definitely stay tuned. So I picked up this wreath from my local thrift store for about $3, and I want to see if I can kind of bring it to life and just add some color to it. So right now what I'm doing is just going around fluffing it out just so that I can see what I'm working with. This is one of those things where you have to trust the process, you guys. And at first I was a little discouraged thinking that it was kind of like dead and it wasn't going to look good. But as you will see, once I fluff it all out, it does appear more wreath-like and around and more alive. So I'm definitely excited that I went. I trusted the process and I continued to go on. So I wanted to add a snow effect to this wreath. So I went in with this snow in a can that I picked up from Walmart. This can was actually $2.97. So if you're looking for something very quick and easy just to spruce up your Christmas tree or any wreath that you have lying around, definitely use it. It is very easy. It goes on very light and you can literally control how much you put on. So I'm just spraying a little bit at a time and going in circles. So right now we're just gonna add some pine cones. I wanna keep this wreath very simple, so I'm not gonna be adding much, but I do wanna add some pine cones to give it more of like that earthy feel. These pine cones are really easy to add because they have like a wire at the end of them that I just like wrap around each stem. So this is really easy, and after this we are going to be adding just about 2 more things because like I said, I want to keep this wreath very simple and easy, and I don't want it to be over the top because I'm going to be adding this wreath to my coffee bar, and I don't want the wreath to be the focal point. I just want it to kind of like add to the whole entire coffee bar and not like overwhelm it too much. So that's why I'm keeping this wreath fairly simple, and you guys are just seeing me add just very simple little pieces, but the pieces that I do add just make the wreath look so good towards the end, and you will see that. So right here, I'm just going to be adding some ornaments. These are ornaments that had like some dents in them and scratches in them, so I thought I would get some use out of them and add them to this wreath because I would like to add a pop of color, and the color is going to be red because white and red is going to go with my coffee bar theme, which is going to be in peppermint. So I thought this was going to be really cute, and I love how it turned out. It was very easy. As you can see, I'm just hot gluing the back of them, or the parts that are scratched up and dented, and I'm just like sticking it directly into the wreath, and I'm spacing them out because once again, I don't want it to be too overwhelming and too crowded.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday.
So right now I'm going to be adding a bow. I actually picked this up from Dollar Tree, and later on in the video you'll see me take this bow off and switch it to a completely different bow, because I felt like the other bow that I'm going to add on later is going to look a lot better. But I just kept this part in to show you guys what it looked like before, and you can decide if you prefer it like this or if you prefer it how it actually ends up. But this bow was cute. It was just a bit too shiny, and it was just kind of like overthrowing everything else. And like I said, I just wanted this wreath to be very simple. So guys, here's just a really quick reminder of what the wreath looked like before, and this is what we have turned it into. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope it inspired you. Definitely leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Also, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. And guys, if you would like to see the entire video of how I decorated my coffee bar for Christmas, check out the link above, or I'll also leave a link in the description box. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays.